What's good, everybody? Thanks for tuning in and stopping by the channel. Today's video will be unboxing the Ambassador Ultra Slim. If you're new to this channel and you're interested in seeing cool behind the scenes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, let's cover the details of the Ambassador Ultra Slim and how much smaller it actually is from the Ambassador. And here it is, our Ambassador Ultra Slim. Now I want to touch on the size of this. This is a much smaller watch. This is actually the smallest watch in our collection. It is a 37mm while our Ambassador is a 45mm. So though it is modeled after the Ambassador, it is much smaller, much lighter guys, but it still has the same great details. Let me give you a side-by-side shot. So this is the Ambassador in my right hand. This is a 45mm watch. This is our Ambassador Ultra Slim, which is a 37mm guys. So if we put this right next to each other, you're going to see the difference. In the side view, this is how thick the case is, and this is how much thinner it is. Okay, now that we've discussed the size of the Ambassador Ultra Slim, let's cover some of the features. Like the Ambassador, it does have Roman numerals, and it does have a second-hand sub-dial. It still features the M and the MSTR, and on the side guys, you are going to find MSTR engraved. That is a feature on our Ambassador as well, and the crown will have the M logo on it as well. Some of the colorways of the Ambassador Ultra Slim are modeled after our actual Ambassador colorway, so these ones line up together perfectly. So if you're looking for a smaller version in the Ambassador and maybe you want this colorway, the Ultra Slim is definitely the answer to that. A couple colorways that do feature the same Ambassador colorway from the Ambassador to the Ambassador Ultra Slim. Okay, next up is definitely a fan favorite. This is our brushed two-tone Ambassador Ultra Slim. You have that black beautiful bezel with the champagne gold Roman numerals and the champagne gold bolts guys. You are going to have the MSTR engraved on the side of the case. That is a hidden feature that is pleasantly surprising when you do see it, as well as the M on the crown. A lot of detail tied into the Ambassador Ultra Slim that was taken from the Ambassador. Again, this is a smaller version of the Ambassador. This is a 37mm while the Ambassador is a 45mm. So if you're looking for a simplistic watch or a colorway, this is definitely it, but it is still going to stand out in your wardrobe for sure. The movement chosen for the Ambassador Ultra Slim is a Miyota 1L45. The case is made of NASA grade 316 full stainless steel. Another colorway that is going extremely quick is the full rose gold brushed Ambassador Ultra Slim. So even the Roman numerals are rose gold, the M and the MSTR, everything on this is rose gold except for the white hands. That gives it a small contrast to help it pop out. If you're looking for a standout watch in your collection, this is definitely it. Next up is the all black Ambassador Ultra Slim. Now this is an absolute fan favorite. Anytime we do anything all black, whether it be from our major, our Ambassador MK3 or our Ambassador, these are always the first to go. So it's no surprise that this one is definitely on its way out. If you're looking for a all black subtle watch, this one has to be added to your collection. This is a great everyday watch, subtle details but definitely still stands out. Carbon fiber in the back as well. Okay, so before we get into the last featured Ambassador Ultra Slim, I do want to remind everybody that they do come with a leather band, and some of them do match the Ambassador, so not to worry. All these watches that are being shown are the full stainless steel version, but most of them do come in a leather band. And finally, my personal favorite from the collection, the red and rose gold Ambassador. Now red is definitely my favorite color. If you love a standout watch in your collection, a must-have piece that you need to add an accessory for your outfit, this is definitely going to be it. I'm a big fan of anything that really calls for a lot of attention. The beautiful red sunray dial really helps the rose gold Roman numerals to pop out, as well as those white contrast hands. All of these colorways really tying together. Okay guys, that wraps up the breakdown of the Ambassador Ultra Slim. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Make sure you are subscribed. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them down below. We do check them daily, guys. Tell us what your favorite part of the video was. Was it the unboxing of the Ambassador Ultra Slim or the many colorways that we chose to show? Either way, guys, let us know in the comments down below. Stay tuned for some really cool detailed shots of this watch on wrist and some lifestyles. As always, we truly appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by the channel. Have a great day.